This song reminds me of someone I dreamt to be. A rush of hope and knowed I'm not the only one lost in between the truth and delusion. Maybe life is supposed to be so beautifully strange. Of all the things I wanna be, maybe I'm supposed to be so beautifully strange. I'm falling into reverie. Maybe I'm supposed to be so beautifully strange. Since long ago, I wanted to be brave. Always needed to belong, be strong enough, and never have to change. I'm learning to turn my flaws into my virtue. Maybe life is supposed to be so beautifully strange. Of all the things I wanna be, maybe I'm supposed to be so beautifully strange.
Magpadayon ka kung sa iyong mga goals sa kinabuhin. Happy birthday, baby.
Ako nagyak ko sa bahan. Siguro ang minisip na pagkabot ko itong birthday, pray na ako, malaya na ako. Ibig sabihin, pwede na ako. Siguro kami sa birthday sa mga
Salamat, happy birthday, baby. Uwi ng buhay. Study first. Salamat, happy birthday.
Ismilag yun. Noon yun ang first and foremost ismilag. Kaya ang dili makakuman, lisod ka ayo. Madaghang examples around you. So, dinalakang daghanon, be happy birthday. And I love you so much.
Ipagkita mo, pakita mo pa sa ang sa life with tapos
ang sarili ko lang rin, happy birthday. Tapos pag-eskwela, kami nila. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday, baby. Kung ano ang ginagawa ka na natin, gusto ko tabihan. Iwan niya si mama. Pagpapati, kita ko yung mismo na kung pagpapati niya si mama ko. Pati kita kung ano ang ginagawa ng mga bigkalan. Hindi niya nag-ibapit at sa ating. Nagagawin na mga bata dito sa bilang mga biyan. Happy birthday, baby.
I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry be loved.